So if your microphone isn't working on Discord, then watch this video because I'll walk you through all of the steps that you need to follow so you can figure out what the issue is and get your microphone working. So the first thing you need to do is go to your user settings, which is in the bottom left hand corner, and then go to voice and video here, and this is going to take you to all of your voice and video settings. Now what you need to do is first I will click on let's check, and if you can see this bar go up, then your microphone is working. However, for most of you, your microphone won't be working here and you won't see this bar go up. So what you need to do here is choose your input device and make sure you've got your microphone chosen. After you've done that, just double check that your input volume is high, just turn it up all the way to 100% just for testing purposes. Then scroll down and we need to go to voice activity, so just make sure your voice activity is checked here, make sure it's not push to talk. Then when you get to input sensitivity, if this bar is all the way high, that's probably why people can't hear you. So just bring this bar all the way down. So when you speak here, this bar that goes up and down, it goes past the white bar. So once you've done that, that's pretty much all of the settings that you can check inside of Discord. So when you've done that, you need to come down to your sound settings by right clicking on the speaker icon and then just go and open your sound settings. That's going to open up this box here. When we're here, we can scroll down and go to input and just make sure that your input device is the microphone that you want to use on Discord. Then again, click device properties and just make sure the volume is up all the way. So then go back and you then want to scroll all the way down to sound control panel, and that's going to open up this new window here. When you're here, you want to go to recording, and here you're going to see what device is the default recording device. This could be the issue. You want your microphone that you're speaking through to be the default device. So if it isn't already, right click on your microphone and just click connect and then set to default. If you can't see your microphone, you want to right click, you want to enable these two, show disabled devices and show disconnected devices. That way it's going to show you devices that aren't connected or devices that are disabled, and that could be the issue. But right click on your microphone and set it as the default device. Once you've done that, right click on it again, go to properties, and here you can see more information about your device. Go to listen, and if you click listen to this device, then apply, you'll be able to hear your voice back when you speak through the microphone. So here you can check if it's working with Windows and if it's a Windows issue or a Discord issue. You can also go to levels, again turn it all the way up, and you can go to advanced and just make sure that it's the highest quality here. But that's pretty much all you can do to actually fix your microphone inside of Windows. What else you can do, you can also try and find drivers for your microphone. So if I was to search on Google Rode NT USB drivers, I could download some additional drivers and that could be the issue. And if that still doesn't work, it could just simply be the cable or the USB port that you're plugging your microphone in. So try it with a different computer, try it with a different cable, and try it with a different USB port.